It's October 9th. Milton is coming right now directly at Sarasota. Highest winds will be at 4 a.m. Should be about 110 mile per hour winds here. Got my old garage doors that aren't hurricane rated covered with hurricane protection. Front door, other windows. We'll see what this storm looks like. It's not looking good. See how the solar system works. Tesla battery backup. Hope it's not as bad as it sounds. This is where we hunker down in here behind the storm catcher. I'll button this up before the storm hits. Obviously everything is off the lanai. Guest house is buttoned up. All the pool furniture is off. Property looks pretty good. It's probably going to get tore up. We hope for the best with minimal damage. Little bit of a lull in the weather. We've got Clara and Roberto here, Kelly's dad Dave. Ground is big time saturated. A few things have fallen out of the trees. Worst of the storm and the winds are going to be 10 o'clock to 1 a.m. tonight. Hope our big tree fares well. Look at all this water on the ground. We are full. There's your little river going to our overflowed pond already. And the storm is not even here yet. Yikes. I hope my daddy's tree does okay. The roots are completely saturated. Wind will probably blow that thing over. Battery backup already kicked on once. We'll see what all that looks like. Starting to get a little windier. We'll be losing light before too long. Fort Myers on TV just showing pretty heavy wind down there. Track's putting it just north of us here. Not good. This is so weird. We are in the eye right now. Crazy. Well, the aftermath of Milton. Not good. It's a mess. Big oak tree took a beating. Look at all that debris down. boy. Our refugees are clearing the roadway so they can get out of here and get home. Wow. What a mess.
Yeah.
Say hi, Roberto. Oh my God. This is the roadway coming out. End of our road, our entrance. Roads blocked down there. It's Falcon Place coming in. That's a lot of stuff. It's gonna take a long time to clean this stuff up. These smokers. No one got a haircut. Lots and lots and lots of debris down. Property was finally looking good. Again, after multiple storms, the pond's a little full. Get all that debris over there. So far, I haven't made it around the back, but the structures look pretty good. Solar system, Tesla power walls, amazing. A little glitchy in the transition, less than a second, but all this worked flawlessly. Look at all this stuff on them. We had power all night. All right, working our way to the back. Didn't lose any screens. Lots and lots of debris. Guest house. We'll get to the pool in a little bit. On our way to the fire pit. Lost some lights here. They're down on the ground. It'll be taking a while to clean all this up. Wow. I think that palm tree's tipping more out than it was with Ian. Alright, here's the pool. As usual, there is a ton of crap in that. That's going to take a while to clean. Look at all that debris. Lost some more trees there. Again, looks like the structure's fared good. I don't think I'm very relaxed right now, though. Out back of the guest house. Lots and lots of debris down. So far, structures again looked pretty good. Solar system carport, all good. Trailer didn't even move off. Lots and lots and lots of debris. Wow. Again, the house looked pretty good. It'll take forever to clean up all this stuff. My daddy's tree got pushed to the right. When the storm went through, we were in the eye wall for the first time. That was an experience. And then when it went through the other side, winds came the opposite direction, pushed the tree back straight up. So my daddy's tree looks good right now, surprisingly.